Picture this. It's December 31st, 2025, and you're looking back at a year that completely transformed your life. Your finances are thriving, your health is the best it's ever been, you've built strong, meaningful relationships, and most importantly, you've become the person you always knew you could be. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the truth. That vision is not just possible, it's inevitable if you take the right steps. In this video, I'm going to give you 5 powerful strategies that can turn your 2025 into a breakthrough year. These aren't just random self-help tips. These are the exact proven principles that successful people use to build wealth, health, and happiness. And by the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to make 2025 your most unstoppable year yet. Let's dive in. Step 1. Stop waiting for permission. Take control now. Most people wait for the right moment to start. I'll start my business when I have more time. I'll get in shape when I'm less stressed. I'll follow my passion, someday. But let me tell you something powerful. No one is coming to save you. There will never be a perfect time. Life will always be busy, unpredictable, and full of excuses. The biggest difference between successful people and those who stay stuck? Successful people start before they feel ready. Here's the challenge. If you want to start a business, launch something small this week, even if it's messy. If you want to get fit, do a 15-minute workout today, even if it's not perfect. If you want to improve your mindset, read 10 pages of a powerful book tonight. Action creates clarity. The sooner you start, the faster you learn. So stop waiting. Your future self is begging you to take action today. Step 2. Build a bulletproof mindset. Your mindset is either your greatest asset or your biggest enemy. Most people fail, not because they lack talent or resources, but because they let their own doubts stop them. Think about it. How many times have you talked yourself out of an opportunity? How often do you doubt your own potential before even trying? Here's the game-changing mindset shift. Stop saying, "I hope I can do it." Start saying, "I will figure it out." Every successful person you admire started from nothing. Every expert was once a beginner who refused to quit. The only thing separating them from you, they kept going. So when fear or doubt creeps in, tell yourself, "I don't need to be perfect, I just need to be consistent." Step 3. Master the power of relentless focus. One of the biggest mistakes people make, trying to fix everything at once. They set 10 different goals. Get rich, get fit, build a business, read 50 books, learn 5 new skills, all at the same time. And then, they burn out and quit. Here's the truth. Focus creates power. Instead of chasing 5 goals and making 0 progress, choose one major goal and go all in. Want to build your business? Focus 90% of your energy on it. Want to get fit? Make it your top priority for the next 90 days. Want to become financially free? Learn, save, and invest relentlessly. When you focus, you build unstoppable momentum, and soon, success in one area spills into others. Your challenge: pick one major goal for 2025, write it down, commit to it. Step 4. Create an unstoppable habit system. Success isn't built on motivation, it's built on habits. Think about this. The billionaire investor doesn't make one lucky stock trade, he builds a habit of smart investing. The fit athletic person doesn't hit the gym for one intense month, they build a habit of daily movement. The top entrepreneur doesn't just have one great idea, they build a habit of solving problems every day. If you can build the right daily habits, success becomes inevitable. Want to get fit? Commit to just 20 minutes of exercise every day. Want to get wealthy? Make a habit of saving and investing a fixed amount every month. Want to be more confident? Build a habit of speaking up and pushing past fear. The key is small, daily actions. Success doesn't come from a one-time effort, it comes from consistency over time. So ask yourself, what's one habit you can commit to every day in 2025? Step 5. Surround yourself with winners. This is the step no one talks about. Your environment is either pushing you forward or holding you back. If you're constantly around people who complain about life, make excuses, and never push themselves, guess what? That energy infects you. On the flip side, if you're around driven, successful, and positive people, you start thinking bigger. You take action faster, you stop making excuses and start making progress. Here's the hard truth. You can't grow if you're surrounded by people who aren't growing. Want to level up in 2025? Audit your circle. Who are the 5 people you spend the most time with? Are they lifting you up or pulling you down? If you don't have successful people around you yet, start online. Follow powerful mentors. Join growth-focused communities. Connect with like-minded people who want more from life. The people you surround yourself with determine your future. Choose wisely. Alright, let's bring it all together. The 5 steps to make 2025 your breakthrough year. 1. Stop waiting for permission. Take action now. 2. Build a bulletproof mindset that silences doubt. 3. Focus on one major goal to gain massive momentum. 4. Create unstoppable daily habits that make success automatic. 5. Surround yourself with winners who push you to grow. But here's the thing. Knowing these steps won't change your life. Taking action will. So here's what I want you to do. Write down your number 1 goal for 2025 right now. Comment below one action you'll take today to start moving forward. If this video inspired you, hit the like button, share it, and subscribe for more strategies to help you crush 2025. Your best year is waiting for you. The question is, are you ready to go after it? Let's make it happen.